Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund on Flixbus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus app, which of course I've done right here. Now you can find Flixbus on Google Play Store or Apple Store. So launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your app, go ahead and type Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to request a refund on Flixbus. So from here, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You have a couple icons representing diverse features: booking, ticket, stops, and more. Select more, and from this window, you're going to have to select need help. So from this window, go ahead and select feedback. Okay. And it takes you here. Scroll the way down to others feedback. Select I would like to give feedback on my trip. How can I do this? So scroll the way down. Now, if you want to request a refund, go ahead and select fill in the form and we'll get in touch with you. So that's fill in the form. So select the fill in the form hyperlink in there. So here, what subject can we help you with? Head over here and select what you want. Request a refund. Please specify your subject. Choose any of those options: bus delay, bus cancellation. And now, add your first name, add your last name, your email, confirm your email by adding the exact thing you filled out in the email section. So add the same thing in the confirm email. Booking number, add your booking number, sure it's correct. I would like to claim select this, ticket refund or additional cost, in this case, ticket refund. Did you pay offline? Select this, yes or no. So let's say no, let's say you paid online. So in this detail options, go ahead and select this and let them know why you want to request a refund. So after adding that and expressing yourself, letting them know why you want to request a refund, you can add or can upload file if you want to. And after that, go ahead and click on send. And once you click on send, you're definitely going to get back to you. This is pretty much how you can request a refund on Flixbus. Now I can go over to tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.